What we have here is 241 punch assembly, and it takes you from 1 to 4 inch on your punches. Your first piece here that you would put into the machine is your top punch block. You'll have one socket head cap screw that goes down and one that goes up to hold that in. From there, you would take your threads, get these aligned with the pin, make sure that sits tight. You've got 4 socket head cap screws that go into that. Snug these down so it doesn't move on you. From there, we've got 2 different options. Your standard, which is a smaller 241. You just need a keyway. Set the keyway in whichever position you're working with. Lock that in like that. Take your 241 punch nut, tighten it down. You'll have a spanner wrench along with this also to get it tight. You're set up on that. Your second option here is an adapter plate. What this does, you set this through your threads, get that set in there. This is for the larger, say 4-inch oblongs, 4-inch rounds. This will sit in just like so. You'll have your 4 cap screws here also. Tighten these down. Get these good and snug too so your punch is not moving on you. And from there, you'll see in here you've got a keyway. You'll need 2 pieces of key stock for this. Get it lined up. Set that down in there just like so. And you'll tighten your nut down. And same thing with this, you've got position for A and B depending on how you want your punch set up. Get that in place like that, and your punch is not moving anywhere. So that's your second setup. Get that out of the way. As far as your actual bottom die, this is attached by 4 3/4-inch bolts. There's a pin on here. This allows for your positioning. You've got A or B. You can set it in there just like that. You've got a set screw on the front. Tighten that down so your die does not move, and you're good to go on the punch station there. You also will have a 241 stripper bar. This will allow for the larger punches. 4 bolts on that, 3/4-inch bolts. And you're ready to do your 241 punching.